Assalamu alaikum class 10. Hope you all will be fine. We were doing unit number 1. The topic is the Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and embodiment of justice. In my lecture 1 I have covered paragraph number 1 till paragraph number 4. Now I am going to start paragraph number 5. It's my lecture. It's my second lecture. The Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam was so well known for his justice that even the Jews, who were his bitter enemies, brought their suits to him and he decided the cases in accordance with the Jewish law. So Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam was very well known, very famous for his justice. For his justice, he was very well known person of Medina. That's why his bitter enemies, बदतरीन दुश्मन, जूस यहूदी, जो उनके यहूदी बदतरीन दुश्मन थे, द वर्स्ट एनिमीज थे, brought their suits mean cases, they brought their cases to him and he decided the cases in accordance with the Jewish law. And Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam solved the cases according to the Jewish law. यहूदियों के कानून के मुताबिक वो उन जो मुकदमात थे या उनके केसेस थे उनका फैसला करते थे. He very strictly followed the commandment of Allah. कमेंडमेंट ऑर्डर, वो बहुत सख्ती से अल्लाह ताला के अहकाम की पैरवी करते थे. What was the order of Allah? It is given in inverted commas. Allah Almighty said that if they came to you, either judge between them or decline to interfere. Decline means reject, to interfere. मुदाखलत करने से, अगर वो आपके पास आए या तो उनके दरमियान फैसला करो या फिर इस फैसले में मुदाखलत करने से इनकार कर दो. इफ़ यू डिक्लाइन, इफ़ यू रिजेक्ट, दे कैनॉट हर्ट यू इन द लीस्ट, इन द लीस्ट, इन द टाइनियस्ट, ज़रा बराबर भी, वो आपको ज़रा बराबर भी नुकसान नहीं पहुंचा सकेंगे. इफ़ यू जज, जज इन इक्विटी बिटवीन दैम. इफ़ यू वांट टू जज बिटवीन दीज नॉन मुस्लिम्स, यू शुड जज विद फेयरनेस. For Allah loves those who judge in equity. So Allah loves those persons, those people who judge fairly. That was the order of Allah Almighty for our Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, that if any non-Muslim came to you for their case, you have to judge between equity or decline to interfere. See the question. Why did the non-Muslim trust the Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam? So the non-Muslims trusted the Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam because he was very well known for his justice and he always judged the cases with equity. That's why non-Muslims trusted Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam. See the words meaning of paragraph number 7. Sorry, paragraph number 5. Suits, cases. कमेंटमेंट ऑर्डर, डिक्लाइन, रिजेक्ट, इंटरफेयर, ऑब्स्ट्रैक्ट मीन्स मुदाखलत करना, लीस्ट, टाइनिएस्ट, ज़रा बराबर भी, इक्विटी, फेयरनेस. सी पैराग्राफ नंबर 6. जस्टिस डिमांड्स that it should be upheld in all circumstances. Demands means requested. जो इंसाफ है वो मुतालबा करता है. दैट इट शुड बी अपहेल्ड, इसको कायम रखना चाहिए. इन ऑल द सर्कमस्टेंसेस, सर्कमस्टेंसेस, सिचुएशंस, इन ऑल सिचुएशंस इट शुड बी फॉलो, इट शुड बी डन इवन इफ इट गोज अगेंस्ट वन ओन सेल्फ, योर सेल्फ. यानी कि वो अगर किसी एक के ख़िलाफ़ चाहता हो और वंस फैमिली और रिलेटिव्स, या किसी की फैमिली या ख़ानदान के ख़िलाफ़ ही क्यों ना जाता हो. सो जस्टिस रिक्वेस्टेड टू बी डन इन ऑल सर्कमस्टेंसेस इवन इफ गोज अगेंस्ट यू, योर फैमिली और योर रिलेटिव्स. इन एनी केस इट शुड बी डन, इट शुड बी फॉलो. ऑल ऑफ हिज लाइफ हज़रत मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम जज अदर पीपल्स अफेयर विद जस्टिस एंड टोल्ड हिज कंपेनियन टू बी जस्ट. सो हज़रत मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ऑलवेज decided the cases with justice. Affairs here means matters. All the matters of the people he decided with justice, and he also advised his companions, his friends, his followers to be just. it is reported, it is said by Hazrat Ali Radhiyallahu Ta'ala anha that Allah's Rasul Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said to him. So Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam advised Hazrat Ali Radhiyallahu Ta'ala anha that when two men come to you for judgment, never judge in favor of one without hearing the argument of the other. It is then most likely that you will know the truth. So Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam advised Hazrat Ali Radhiyallahu Ta'ala anha that if two men came to you for any case for judgment, for justice, you will listen both of these persons. Don't decide the case by listening one. Listen both the men and it will help you to decide their case fairly. यानी जब भी कोई फ़ैसला करो दोनों का बयान या दोनों की बात मुकम्मल तौर पर सुन के फ़ैसला करो, इससे फ़ैसला करने में आसानी होगी और इंसाफ से फ़ैसला होगा. हज़रत मरवा रज़ियल्लाहु ताला अन्हा रिपोर्टेड रसूल सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम सेइंग, any ruler or judge who closes his door on the poor, the needy and the destitute. Destitute means muflis. The person who is very poor or डिवाइड ऑफ का मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा गरीब होना, मुफलिस होना. So Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, if a ruler or a judge close his door for the poor, needy and the person who is very miserable, Allah closes his door on him, even he becomes needy and destitute. When he becomes needy and destitute, जब वो गरीब और मुफलिस हो जाएगा, अल्लाह उस पे अपना दरवाज़ा बंद कर देगा. इट्स मीन दैट इफ़ a ruler or a judge don't have any poor or needy person, when he become poor or needy, Allah Almighty closes his door for him. See the difficult words meaning. This paragraph number 6, words meaning: demands, request, circumstances, situations, affairs, matters, companions, friends, reported, saying, destitute, divide off. See the question of paragraph number 6. What advice did the Rasul Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam give to Hazrat Ali Radhiyallahu Ta'ala anha? I am showing the answer from the notebook. See, the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam gave the idea to Hazrat Ali Radhiyallahu Ta'ala anha, when two people come to you for judgment, never decide in favor of one without hearing the argument of other. It is most likely that you will know the truth. That is the answer of question number 4. That's it.